Hi everyone, Angela Gerard, a mortgage loan originator with NEXA Lending. And today I thought we'd go over some of the most common myths out there regarding home loans. Myth number one, I need to have thousands of dollars for a down payment and closing costs to buy a home. This is not true. The fact is there are many loan options that require very little to no money down, and the funds can be in the form of a gift. Or there are down payment assistance programs that can help with this as well. Also, if you're renting right now, you most likely have a deposit and possibly a last month's rent. These funds can go toward a down payment. And then as far as closing costs go, in most circumstances, you can roll those into the loan so that you don't have to come up with those up front. Myth number two, I need to have good credit to buy a home. This is not true. The fact is, having great credit will give you more options and flexibility, but there are several loan options out there that allow scores as low as 580. And some lenders are now allowing Vantage credit scores. These are the ones that you see on Credit Karma. And a lot of times those are higher than your regular FICO or Tri-Merge credit scores that the lenders typically use. So that would afford you more flexibility as well. Myth number three, I can't get a first-time homebuyer loan because I owned a home in the past. Again, not true. The facts are, if you haven't had ownership in a home for the last 3 years, then you do qualify as a first-time homebuyer again. Myth number four, I filed bankruptcy, so I have to wait for it to come off my credit report before I can buy a home. This is not true either. The fact is there are several loan programs that will accept a bankruptcy on your credit if it's been discharged for over 2 years. Myth number five, if I check my own credit or shop lenders, it will hurt my score. Not true. If you check your own credit, it's considered a soft pull or soft inquiry and does not affect your score. Shopping lenders also will only count as one inquiry, typically if you do it within a 30-day period. The credit bureaus will see that you are shopping a home loan and only count it as one inquiry towards your credit. Myth number six, buying a home is not a smart financial move. It will put me in a lot of debt. Not completely true. The facts, well, this is one of the largest purchases you will probably make in your life. You need to look at it more as an investment instead of a debt. You are making monthly house payments now anyway, but right now they're building your landlord's equity, not yours. Purchasing a home can be a great investment into your future. Every payment you make and every month that goes by can build equity. Equity is the difference between what your home is worth and what you owe on it. When we buy cars, the value goes down immediately. These are called depreciating assets. Homes, on the other hand, are appreciating assets. And real estate is still a very strong investment, and I think it always will be. Myth number seven, my bank denied me, so I know I can't buy right now. Not true. The facts are, while banks and credit unions have some great loan programs, they're limited to just what their bank approves them for. Mortgage brokers can actually shop programs from multiple wholesale lenders, which gives us way more options and flexibility than banks and credit unions. At NEXA, we have over 250 wholesale lenders to shop for the best loan that fits your unique situation. Also, not every mortgage broker is the same. Every mortgage broker is going to use different wholesale lenders who have different programs. So it's good to shop around. Especially if you're told no, hang up and call somebody else. Give me a call. Myth number eight, I'm self-employed and write everything off under the sun, so my income looks terrible to lenders and I'd never get improved. Absolutely not true. The facts are we have several options for self-employed, contract workers, 1099. such as bank statement loans, streamlined loans, no income loans, asset-based loans, 1099 loans, etc. There's a lot of different stuff out there, you guys. Myth number 9, I don't want to buy now because the rates are high. Not necessarily true. The facts are that yes, some of us still remember when interest rates were as low as 3 and 4%, but there's no guarantee that they're going to go back down to that level anytime soon. And actually, with the current state of the economy, the trend is looking like they're going to go up. So now is a perfect time to buy a home before they do rise. And if a few years down the road, those rates come down, you can refinance at that time and take advantage of those lower rates. You don't want to wait until they go up even higher. So the takeaway, you are probably closer to home ownership than you think, and my consultations are free. So reach out and let's see what we can put together for you. If I can't get you qualified, I will give you the best tips to get you moving in the right direction. Thank you for watching, guys. Hit that follow button to learn more about tips and tricks and mortgage loans. And I hope to see you again soon. Have a great day.